Post-combustion dry CO2 capture technology is a technology to reduce CO2 emissions from thermal power plants. This technology utilizes solid absorbent and fluidized bed processes. Existing technologies using solid absorbents have difficulties in handling large amounts of flue gas in terms of process and manufacturing methods, which limits its application to large-scale industrial and power plants. To overcome these problems, KEPCO Research Institute has developed this technology for the first time in the world. This is the process of post-combustion dry CO2 capture technology. First, the exhaust gas from the power plant is fed to an absorption tower with a fluidized solid absorbent. In this process, the solid absorbent selectively absorbs only carbon dioxide and is transported to the regeneration tower, and the carbon dioxide-free flue gas is released to the atmosphere from the absorption tower. Finally, the solid absorbent coming in the regeneration tower is regenerated by further heat and emits high concentration of carbon dioxide, and the regenerated absorbent is set to the absorber again for reuse and is repeatedly used. This technology has high absorption capacity, heat resistance, and reaction rate. It generates little wastewater, little corrosion by absorbing agent, requires a small area, and can be processed in a large scale. In addition, 2.6 million tons of carbon dioxide reduction per year is expected when this technology is applied to a 500 megawatts coal-fired power plant. We have completed a demonstration of long-term operation of 10 megawatts CO2 capture facility and will lead CO2 reduction by promoting technology commercialization linked with CO2 utilization.